Hello children, now let us see how to read this lesson now. Making new friends. Page number 18 in the workbook. You can see the workbook here, workbook 1. So in that page number 18. Hobby, a rabbit lives in a jungle. He eats carrots every day. But today he wants to eat berries. He sees many berries on a tall tree. He hops and jumps, but he cannot reach the berries. They are too high for him. Molly the parrot lives on the tree. She sees Hobby. She says, "Hello, I am Molly. Do you want some berries?" Hobby says, "Hello, Molly, I am Hobby. Yes, I want some berries. Can you help me?" Molly bites off a bunch of berries with her sharp beak. The bunch of berries falls on the ground. Hobby picks up the berries and says, "Thank you, Molly. Please come down from the tree. We can share the berries." Molly flies down and sits near Hobby. Molly and Hobby eat the tasty and juicy berries. Then the two new friends play together and have fun. Now look at these pictures about the story. Number them in the correct order to tell the story again. Children, you have to see this picture and you have to put the number, like which picture will be the first. See here the rabbit is sitting and seeing on top the berries, and here the parrot is breaking the berries, like it is cutting the berries with its beak. Here it's both are sitting down and eating the berries. Here the rabbit is sitting and the berries have fallen down. So you have to put the number, which picture will be the first, which will be the second, to tell, like in sequence, to tell the story. This do it for homework, children. Now the next page, page number 20. Okay, let us learn words. The first one, fill in the missing letters. Choose from the ones in the middle. One has been done for you. Okay, now here A, E, I, O, U. What are these, children? These are the vowels. So the pictures are given and the fill in the blanks is given here. You have to put in this vowel to complete this word. Okay, the first one is done for you. Grass. This is the picture of a grass. See, G-R-S-S was given. So they have put the vowel A. So it becomes G-R-A-S-S, grass. The second one is, see, you can see this picture. What is this? Bell, children. So what comes in the middle? What is the spelling of bell? B-L-L. So what will be there? B-E. So we'll write here E. So E-B-E-L-L, bell. The third one, what is this? Clock. Clock of a picture. Yes, this picture is of clock. C-L-C-K. So what will come in the middle? C-L. What is the spelling? C-L-O. So we have to write here O. C-L-O-C-K. Then this picture, duck. D-C-K. So what will come here? D-U. D-U-C-K. So the next picture, what is this? What is that boy doing to the ice cream? Lick. L-C-K. L-I-C-K. Lick. Lick means like he's, see there, he's eating it, but he's not putting it completely into his mouth. With his tongue he is taking it. So that is licking. That is called as licking. So that is lick. L-I-C-K. Lick. This is book. B-K. So B-O-O-K. Book. Then next comes, look at the following pictures. Write their names from the box given below. Then circle the odd one out in each row. So here, children, what you have to do? See, which is this picture now? Bird, glass, butterfly, plate, spoon, bee, ant, chair. The words are given here. You have to write them down of that picture. So this is bee. B-double-E. Bee. The second one is bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. The third one is ant. A-N-T. Ant. The fourth one is butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Now tell me, children, which is the odd one out in this now? Yes, the bird. So you have to circle that because these are the insect and this is a bird. Now here, spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Okay. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. This is plate. P-L-A-T-E. So which one is odd one out in this now? See, these are the things used to eat or drink. Okay, this chair. So this is odd one out. Okay. Now let us learn grammar from page number 21. This is okay. Action words. Some action words are hidden in the grid below. Find these words and write them below the correct picture. One has been done for you. So here are the picture. You can see the action. What it is? Action words because they are showing some action. See in this picture, this boy is reading. So that is the action. So it is read. That is done for you. R-E-A-D. Read. Okay. The second one, what is this person doing? He is eating. So that is one action. So what here is that? First, second, in the third column, E-A-T, eat. Can you see? Okay. The next picture, these both are dancing. Okay. So here, this action, they are which action they are doing? They are dancing. So in the last column, you can see D-A-N-C-E, dance. Okay. Then the next picture, the girl is running. What is the action which she is doing? She is running. So you have to mark here in this first, second, third column R-U-N. You can see here R-U-N, run. Okay. Then this, what is this dog doing? It is barking. So what is it called as? Bark. So here see first, second, third, fourth, fifth row. In the fifth row you can see B-A-R-K, bark. So circle this. Yes. Then what can you see in this picture? The monkey is climbing. Okay. Yes. The monkey is climbing. Yes. So which is that action here? Okay, we can see in this first column only. C-L-I-M-B, climb. So what is the monkey doing? It is climbing. So climb is given here. Yes. So C-L-I-M-B, climb. Yes. R-E-A-D, read. E-A-T, eat. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Then R-U-N, run. B-A-R-K, bark. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Yes, children. Now come to the second part. Read the words given in the box. Write the name and action words on the correct clipboard. See, dog, swims, runs, book, jumps, cherry, fan, ships, basket, sings. So what we have to do here in the next page, you have to write it which are the naming words and which are the action words. So this also I'll be giving you as a homework. Yes, children. So you have to do this. Whatever, see here the words are given. Read the words and write the naming and the action word. Which are the naming words I have given and which are the action words also I have told you. See, action words are which are showing you some actions. Okay. And the naming words are the name given to that object. Okay, as example, fan. Now you have named it. It's an object, that is naming word, fan. You have to call it fan only. It is not showing any action there. Jumps. Jumps is an action. Okay, so put fan in the naming word and jumps in the action word. So like that you have to clear this, distinguish between the, you have to write down the naming words here and the action words here. Then here, children, let us write. Join the words in column A with the words in column B using correct action words. Use colored pencils. Okay, for this you can use colored pencils, children. See, children, now the monkey, it climbs the tree. So draw a line from the monkey to climb, and then from climbs the tree. Second, the kite flies in the sky. The fish swims in water. The bird eats worms. So you can do the match the following like this. Now write the complete sentence below and underline the action words with your colored pencils. Now write the complete sentence below and underline the action words with your color pen. So what you have to do, one I'll write for you all, children. See, what is this? The monkey climbs the tree. So here I am not having a color pencil. I am just marking with pencil, children. So what is the action word here? Climbs. So like this you have to write these 3 sentences down here. Okay, that will be also for your homework. Yes, this is all for this lesson, children. This is in the workbook, Making New Friends. We have seen this story. This is for homework. You have to just number the pictures, which is first, second, third, fourth. Okay, and then this we have used the vowels and we have completed the words. Here we have written down the names and we have circled the odd one out. Here we have marked the action words which are given here in the grid. Okay, and you have to write them also here. Okay, so what it is here, we'll be writing read, R-E-A-D, and this is eat, E-A-T. This is dance, D-A-N-C-E. This is run, R-U-N, run. This is bark, B-A-R-K. This is climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Okay, so this is all. And here, sorry, they have given you some action words and some naming words. You have to put them in this column here. Naming words you have to put in naming words, and action words you have to put in action words. For that will be for your homework. And here we have done the match the following, like the monkey, what is the action it is doing, and like what will be the sentence. So we have done this match the following the same way we are supposed to write here, and with your color pencil you are supposed to underline the action word. So the first one I have done for you, the monkey climbs the tree. Now the second one, see, I have written the monkey climbs the tree. So climbs is the action word here. The kite flies in the sky. So you are going to write the kite flies in the sky. So flies will be the action word. Whatever the action that is shown, that is called which is describing the action what the monkey is doing. So here it is like climbing. So climb, that is climbs is the action word. So like this you have to underline the action words with a color pencil and write the whole sentence. Okay, children, so this will be for your homework. Thank you, children.